Salut à tous et soyez les bienvenus dans le programme Planète Équitable avec Ed Zanetti. We follow our episodes talking about climate change and forests. So we talked about the North-South X, the West-West X, and the mountains and depressions around the globe, and how they affect society and environment will be differently on cities and on forests. On cities, for example, we have this dome effect which is caused by the high level of pollution we have in the cities, the burning of fossil fuels that increase the level of greenhouse gas effects and cause this dome effect around the cities. When we have heat waves, they hit harder in the city because of this presence of the pollution, especially in dry seasons. On forests, by the other hand, if we have an increase on temperature, we have an increase on the range, on the demographic range of the species, geographic range of the species. They will spread further in the planet when we have this heat force that goes from the equator to the polar areas. We will see biodiversity spreading around the globe. So we need two separate strategies to deal with this, to adapt to this change, to this increase on temperature. On cities, we need more green infrastructure. We need urban protected areas in order to, reduce these heat waves effects. And this needs a specific policy in order to increase the presence of this green infrastructure within the cities. On forests, on the other hand, especially on tropical forests, we need more gray infrastructure in order to increase the human presence, and avoid the spreading of this dangerous microorganism. We need to increase our presence in the forest in order to increase its sanity and avoid the spreading of this infectious disease. We have seen many cases of dangerous disease for humans and also for forests themselves. We have cases of beetles killing forests in Canada, in US, and in Russia. So this is what we needed to say about the effects of the increase on temperature on forest. On the next episodes, let's talk about how the increase on CO2 levels affects the forest around the globe. Let God's peace and the love that builds be our weapons on our daily struggle for justice. Ed Zanetti pour tous les amis africains.